Hi guys, I'm Esther Choi and this is my Nurungji chicken. So we're gonna start with a chicken. We are just gonna spatchcock this guy, and that just means that we want to kind of butterfly it and lay it out. And how we're gonna do that is take out the backbone here. And guess what the easiest way to do that? It's with shears. Cut along the backbone, like so. All right, so that's one side. You should be able to do it really easily with the shears. We're gonna turn it around and just lay it flat. And we're just gonna pre-season the chicken just with some salt. Now let's work on our sticky rice stuffing. Here I have sticky rice, and we pre-steam this until it's about like 75% cooked. Next, we're gonna add some aromatics to the sticky rice. So I have pine nuts, and then I have dried jujubes. These are Korean dried dates. I'm just gonna use my shears to cut around the pit. Next, I have some dried apricots, and you can use any dried fruit and any nuts actually. We have some garlic, ginger. One of my tricks to shears, I'm gonna take the shears apart and use the blade to peel it. And that way you can go to every nook and cranny like that. With this ginger, just gonna give it a large slice. Some herb, rosemary. And then this is the best. It's also an herb stripper. So you go like so. And you grab the stem and just pull. Voila. Parsley as well. Chop. Some salt. Toasted sesame oil. Work that into the rice. Break up some of those rice chunks up like so. You can use a cast iron pan. We have one of these like flat sizzling pans, but cast iron works perfectly for this. Just gonna heat it up and add some butter to the bottom. This dish is called Nurungji chicken because Nurungji it means crispy rice. So this butter helps the rice get super crispy. But we're just gonna add that rice the bottom of this pan, so it's kind of flatten it out. It smells so good right now. Oh my god. That chicken will go straight on top. Some soft butter, kind of just put it on top of the chicken, some on the legs. Now we will pop this in the oven for about 40 minutes. Mushrooms. This is my Nurungji chicken.